Do you have a connected board column on one of your Monday.com boards and you want to see how many items are actually connected there, but you want a really easy way as opposed to having to hover over it and see the number? Let me show you a simple formula that you can use to achieve this.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
In order to show you why this information is important and actually how to create a formula to pull the number of connected items, I just want to explain to you a setup so that way you see where it's a valuable thing to have. So here we have a low-level task board. You can see we have a bunch of tasks and they are connected to a high-level project board. Now, if you need help with high-level, low-level boards, there's a link to a video above where you can learn all about high-level, low-level boards. But here, essentially what we have is we have tasks and we have projects. Now, projects is an overall thing that we're tracking the tasks for specific projects, but we're looking at projects as a whole. Now, if you look at this high-level board over here, you can see that it's connected to the low-level board. So essentially what I can see is for project number 4 is that there's 4 plus 1, because that item also counts. There's 5 different tasks for that specific project. For project number 5, you can see that there's 2 tasks. Now, this is really nice if you're looking in this view, but it doesn't give you the ability to create a dashboard, all this, to get data, like how many tasks do we have in total, anything like that. So that's why this formula is really important. So in order to add this formula, you click the plus button and you find the formula column. And then you need to just choose the column that you want. And in this case, it's the task one. And see, there's this arrow. So it opens this to different options. And we want to basically count the number of items that are here. I think I didn't press save. Make sure to press save. So let's go back and do that again. We're going to click here and we're going to find count. Okay, and now we're at set formula. And now you can see that I have this formula that tells me that I have 5 items for project 4, 2 items for project 5, giving me numbers that I can actually work with. Now, based on that, I can go to a dashboard. Okay, and I am going to add another widget, a chart widget, all the way down here. And what we can do with this chart widget is my x-axis is going to be the name. Okay, so see here we have all of the different projects. Back to that. And my y-axis is actually going to be my formula column. So here I can see how many tasks I have per project by basically pulling in this new formula column that we have added to this board. I've seen a lot of use cases where this information is important. One use case is for HR. Let's say they want to see how many people applied for jobs and you have a low-level board of the candidates and a high-level board of the job. I've also seen it used in biz dev, a specific example where a company was looking to hire recruits to fill a specific role, is actually like for nurses within specific nursing homes, and they wanted to send a certain number of nurses, so they would send their applications, and they just wanted a number, like this is what they requested, how many did we send? So this is a really simple formula that you can pull into a board and just count the number of connected items within that specific item. Let me know what use cases you have for this specific formula.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.